Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with your business updates for today. 27-year-old wooden pallet manufacturer Woodcats International is preparing to enter the stock market through an initial public offering IPO, marking the first junior market IPO for the year and the first since the listing threshold was increased. The offer involves more than 833 million ordinary shares priced at 90 cents each, with about 283 million shares available to the general public. Speaking with Business Bites, Alex Johnson, manager of origination and structuring, said the company is positioning itself for its next phase of growth.
Management right now is on the cusp of an aggressive growth phase, focused on increasing production locally and also expanding distribution into the wider Caribbean. And as such, they would have decided to go public, and this would allow them to raise the capital needed to scale the business effectively.
The offer is expected to raise close to $750 million, with around $374 million going to the selling shareholder, Derrimont Trading Company, while the remaining $375 million will go to the company and be used strictly for business expansion.
The IPO proceeds will be used to modernize machinery, expand the heat treatment capacity to support exports, and also improve the overall efficiency of the company. For investors, the IPO offers exposure to a profitable, cash-generating industrial business with stable demand and a long operating history and clear and well-defined growth strategy.
The listing is conditional on the company raising at least $400 million. NCB Capital Markets Limited is the lead broker for the offer. Investors can apply through the Go IPO platform at goipo.jncb.com. The minimum application is 1,000 shares. Applications open February 2 at 9 a.m. and close February 20 at 4:30 p.m. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.